this is Missy. Today we're going to talk about back to the basics. What I mean by that is yesterday I read an article on CNN. The US food system is killing Americans. The article talked about the American are relying on the heavily processed food for the convenience of saving time and saving cost. But is it really so? It's not really saving time and cost at all. Instead, they have abandoned the whole food diet to the cheap, fast, processed food that actually cause more problems than they bargained for. Many of you will know that eating too much processed food instead of the whole food will create the risk of chronic disease. So the best way for us to avoid this is to go back to the basics. The more or the closer that you can get from the Mother Nature, the better. Say for example, if you could make a lovely restaurant standard or the cafe standard burger just with plant-based food, it is achievable to do it at home. And you will have all of the nutrients that you need, plus the cost saving. Instead of buying the pre-made packet of the burger patties, you do it yourself and you will know exactly what's in the burger that you make. You can control the quality of the food that you consume. So for example, the other day I made a batch of burger patty simply just using a tin of black bean, some breadcrumbs, and some cheeses, vegan cheese. And if you like, you can do your own salad, coleslaw, or just slices of tomato and pineapple to go with the burger. And use a really nice burger bun, for example, the brioche. It's really nice and yummy to go with it, and it's light and not heavy at all. So by making your own burger patty mixture from the ingredients that I just said, you can also produce a different dish or more dishes. Can you imagine that? Think about making the vegan version of the meatball with the same black bean mixture. Or you can use the same mixture, wrap it up with puff pastry and turn it into vegan version sausage rolls. So you can understand, if you do it at home, it's not only saving costs, but you can also use your creativity to bring one dish, one ingredient into many dishes. So I hope this helps you to understand how we can go back to the basics and avoid getting all those diseases and saving cost, saving time, and avoid any worries. Okay? So until next time, be well, be happy. This is Miss Grace.